Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CS Ab Initio. So I have prepared this video for understanding void, voidable and illegal contracts. What kind of contracts, or we can say an agreement, can be declared as void or voidable or an illegal agreements as per Indian Contract Act. We'll also understand the difference between all these three categories of contract. So let's start. Void agreement. First we'll understand void agreement. Void का मतलब होता है वो चीज जो exist ही नहीं करती है. And we have used the term agreement instead of contracts because of same thing. If a agreement is void, then it is not a contract at all. Therefore, we can more appropriately say void agreement. An agreement which never turned into a contract. What is void agreement? An agreement which cannot be enforced by law and which doesn't confers any right on either of the party. Right? So, अगर कोई agreement void है या कोई ऐसा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो पार्टीज को लगता है कि कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है बट वो एक्चुअली में void है, उस केस में वो दोनों में से किसी भी पार्टी को कोई भी राइट्स नहीं देता है एक दूसरे के अगेंस्ट, नीदर दोनों में से कोई उसे इन्फोर्स कर सकते हैं अंडर अ लॉ. So void and contract are contradictory terms. If agreement is void, then it is not a contract at all. The contract never existed from the beginning. Collateral transactions can be supported by void agreements. So अगर कोई agreement void है, अगर कोई contract void है, but उससे related कोई collateral agreement है या कोई subordinate agreement है same parties के बीच में, then that subordinate agreement, if it is not void, can be enforceable. So वो subordinate agreement अपने आप में void नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर वो legal agreement है, वो as a consequence of original agreement void नहीं हो सकता. उसको enforce किया जा सकता है. Illegal agreement. So illegal agreement is very similar to a void agreement with a slight difference. Illegal agreement भी वही agreement है जिसके कोई legal effects नहीं है. Immediate parties उसको कभी enforce नहीं कर सकती है. उसका unlawful object है, unlawful consideration है, वो पूरा agreement illegal कहलाता है. It is never enforceable. But in case of illegal agreement, the transactions which are collateral to the original agreement are also tainted with illegality and they are also not enforceable. So in case of void agreement, subordinate or collateral contracts or agreements are valid. But in case of illegal agreement, all the contracts or agreements related to that basic illegal agreement are also illegal and are not enforceable. This is because the parties to unlawful agreement cannot get any help from the court of law, because law says that no polluted hand shall touch the pure foundation of justice. तो अगर कोई लोग ऐसा कुछ अग्रीमेंट कर रहे हैं जिसका ऑब्जेक्ट ही अनलॉफुल है, जो इलीगल है, देन कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ से उनको कोई भी मदद नहीं दी जा सकती. थर्ड कैटेगरी आती है वॉइडेबल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स की. सो वॉइडेबल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं जो एग्जीक्यूट किए जा सकते हैं एट द ऑप्शन ऑफ वन पार्टी. वॉइडेबल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स में एक पर्सन के लिए वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वॉइड है, बट दूसरे पर्सन के पास राइट होता है कि वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को एग्जीक्यूट कर सके, या उसके पास ये राइट होता है कि वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को वॉइड डिक्लेयर कर सके. राइट? सो वन ऑफ द टू पार्टीज हैज राइट टू डिक्लेयर अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एज वॉइड. Therefore, these are called voidable contract at the option of one of the parties to contract. So now we'll understand the void agreement in detail. So a contract can be void from the beginning or become void due to certain circumstances. So पहली कंडीशन है कोई void contract की, वो beginning से ही void था, beginning से ही वो exist नहीं कर रहा था, valid नहीं था. But there can be circumstances when it become void later on. A contract to provide a warehouse. ठीक है, तो अगर warehouse provider ने किसी के बीच में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हुआ है कि वो warehouse space देगा उसको in subject to some consideration. Now that person is using that warehouse for a storage of a smuggling goods. So that in this circumstances the person is using it for illegal activity and therefore the contract for warehouse become void. If and actions under the contract becomes opposed to public policy. If the contract become impossible to perform. अगर A and B ने contract enter किया है शादी करने का, A ने B को promise किया है कि मैं आपसे शादी करूंगा, and B की death हो गई है. Therefore, it is not possible to execute the contract. It becomes impossible to perform. तो contract becomes void. और अगर दोनों में से कोई भी एक पार्टी incapable है contract enter करने के, तब भी वो contract void होगा. The parties to the contract are incapable of contracting. Voidable. Voidable तब होता है जब एक पर्सन के पास ऑप्शन होता है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को void डिक्लेयर करने में, और वो ऑप्शन उसके पास तभी होगा जब उसने वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिकॉज ऑफ फ्रॉड या मिसरिप्रेजेंटेशन एंटर किया हो, अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस में एंटर किया हो, मिस्टेक में एंटर किया हो, या जो टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस ऑफ द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है वो कॉन्शियसली अंडरस्टैंड ही ना किया हो. और इलीगल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट या इलीगल अग्रीमेंट इज एनी अग्रीमेंट विच इज स्पेसिफिकली फॉरबिडन बाय लॉ or involves an activity which is forbidden by law. So, agreement which is against a law or has a criminal nature or which is against the public policy are invalid from the beginning. They were not contract at all. They were not agreements at all, and therefore they were not enforceable. And all the agreements associated with original agreement which is illegal are also considered void and illegal under a law. So this was the basic thing about void, voidable and illegal contract. Let's recapitulate. Void contracts are the contracts which never existed. Therefore, they cannot be termed as contracts. They were the agreements. Voidable contracts are the contracts which existed but which gives one of the party an option to declare the contract voidable, declare the contract void. And illegal contracts are illegal agreements are the agreements which has been entered to perform an unlawful activity or which involves an unlawful act, criminal act. Therefore, they are illegal contracts. All the contracts associated with illegal contracts are also invalid. They can never be enforced. But all the contracts associated with void contracts can be enforced. So, for more lectures relating to Indian Contract Act, stay tuned to my channel CS AB Initial. Thank you.